Good morning, everyone. Well, we're starting day 13. I woke up early. I had my alarm set for 5, but I woke up at 4:30, so I just went ahead and got up. Started getting my stuff ready. We have 15 miles to get to Twin Lakes. I've gone 14 so far on the trail. My average is like 12 miles, most days 13. I've done 14. Today's 15, so I feel a little bit anxious about that just because I haven't gone that far. At home I can walk that far, but with a pack and all these ups, so it'll be okay. We're gonna make it. So yeah, it rained a little bit last night, and here's what the trail looks like. Well, we are going to spend about 4 miles of walking up. So I finally got to a little flat area, but I won't be recording a whole lot just because it's a lot of climbing. But here's a flatter area of what it's looking like. All right, well, we're on a flat spot right now, so we have about 1.5 miles more of climbing, but I'm going to enjoy this little straightaway and downhill for a bit. There's the parking lot we're walking towards. At the end of segment 10. All right, we had a quick little lunch break. We're back on trail. It's been walking for just a bit. We have about 6.1 miles to get to Twin Lakes. So, yeah, we have a little bit of climb. Not a lot. Okay, let's get going. There's my pose again. All right, we have about 1.5 miles until we get to Twin Lakes. Yay! All right, well, we have 0.9 miles and we're going to be walking it in the rain. So I'm under the umbrella. We're going to keep on going. Well, now it's hailing and I'm glad I've got this umbrella because that does not feel very good. I have a glimpse of Twin Lakes down there. This is like the longest half mile I've ever done. All right, let's get going. Quit raining, but there's a storm right over there and it's blowing this way. I don't know if I'm ever going to get down to that little town. It's taken forever. Hey everyone. Well, my last day in Twin Lakes is just about over. I'm ready to go to bed. I've got my backpack all packed up. I have some clothes I'm drying over there. Got my little drying area going on over there. Have some stuff over here hanging in the window. Yeah, so I had to wash. There's no laundry here. and no laundromat in this little town, this cute little teeny little town. So I had to wash my stuff in the sink. And I've been working on drying this stuff all day long. Just moving it around, putting it in little sunspots that's coming through the window. Got that little fan broke out trying to finish drying, everything. So once that's dry, hopefully overnight, the socks will dry. And then I can put that stuff in my bag. I just need to put my quilt in my tent and fill up my water bottles. And then I'll be ready to go. I'm not getting up early. My checkout is at 10. So I'll check out, eat some breakfast, run over and get some cash. So I have that when I get to Salida, and I can get a shuttle into Salida. So I'll already have that. But yeah, I got to kind of just rest. Even though I was busy today sorting out my food and getting that stuff ready, it was nice just to hang out, and I had a great dinner. They're so nice here. If you ever have a chance to come to Twin Lakes and come to the inn and saloon, it's a great place. Tonight I had the cheeseburger and I had fries. It was so good. It was very good. And then I had some ice cream for dessert that I'd had bought today at the little store, and I ate that. I got to talk to my kids. And yeah, I just talked to my sister, and yeah, just doing some catching up. But I'm tired and I'm ready for sleep. I've just been trying to upload some pictures and videos and get all that done before I head out tomorrow. But anyway, well, I will see you all tomorrow. I hope you have a wonderful night. Good night.